you can have your extra foods in a given place in that a given.
Extra food! Super yummy! Extra food! So yummy! Extra food! Super yummy! Extra food! So yummy! One, go! One, go!
You can use your filter and the gadgets in a given place. You can use your cellular phones and other electronic gadgets in a given place in a given time.
Cellphone ko please, ika'y makinis. Nagkakibalik sorry. Sorry, mahal, ika'y nahintay. Ako ngayon ay babawi. Cellphone ko please, ibalik sa amin. One, go!
In situation, you can enjoy weekend and privilege passes provided it is approved by the director and GMPTI or his authorized representative.
Passes! Weekly pass na this, 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 list na namin burger at spaghetti, honey rice at chicken at crispy, sarap sa naman papa-potion, promise susunod sa instruction, sir we promise we'll be back before 3, pwede rin sa Sunday morning, weekly pass na this, 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 one, go.
When situation permits, you can now receive letters and visitors.
Mama, papa ko, ate kuya ko, nasan na kayo, sir, dito na ako. Ayaw na si sir na merong visitors. Punta na kayo, sir, hinay ako. Ayaw na si sir na merong visitors. Punta na kayo, visit na kayo. One, go!
Other privileges will be announced later.
Di mo napapansin na kami ay saya, dahil sa kami ay recognize na may pribileyo. Kami nagpapasalamat sa pribilehiyong matatanggap. Kami nagpapasalamat galing sa puso ng suwasila. One, go! One, go!
Thank you, sir, for these valued privileges.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us extend our warmest congratulations to our esteemed trainees. The privileges they have earned today are a direct result of their unwavering dedication, perseverance, and exemplary conduct. Let us remember that these privileges carry with them not